Hi, I'm Mark. I'm going to be test driving the Bentley today. So we're going to give it a good run and see if it all shakes down and works properly. Right. Unfortunately, with these older cars, you have to go through a little bit of a procedure to start them. It's not just a case of jumping in and turning the key and away you go. So what we have to do first is turn the fuel on. Pushes down there. That will prime the car and get it ready to start. And then inside we have to switch the ignition on, which is down here. And then we have two magneto buttons that we have to push right in. We have to turn the mixture to rich, retard the timing and make sure the hand throttles back. Then hopefully, fingers crossed. Obviously, when you need to fit the lights of the car coming the other way, on your modern car, you just flick a switch. On these old cars, there's a nice big lever here that you push forward, and that's what tilts the lights down. So once you pass the traffic, you pull your big lever, back up the lights come. This is a two-seater. It has what they call a dicky seat in the back, so you can take extra passengers. And the way you exit it and get into it, lift the back up, and there's a couple of little screws here that you lock in place, and then the back of it will lift, which provides you two extra seats for passengers. And to get in, you use the steps 1, 2, and in. You're listening for engine tone to make sure that the engine is running as best as we can get it. Testing the brakes, steering, just generally listening to the car and what it's saying to you. You can tell by the noises it makes whether it's happy or not. So yeah, it gives us a good idea of what's going on. So not everybody has the privilege of doing it because they tend to allocate certain people to look after the cars in the museum and do them in the workshop. Ones with the most experience. But they do tend to give you that sort of feeling of importance, and when you drive them, you know, you can imagine what it must have been back in the 1920s, 30s, and how, you know, people used to feel quite important you driving them because there wasn't the cars about like nowadays.